Good morning. We are on the road again. So we are back at it. Van life is back on. We're in the Mercedes. Super excited. This is, it's already feeling great. We're putting in the miles. Everything's comfortable. Everything's working well. It's been really good. We have been a bit delayed on our videos and I'll briefly explain why. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas to everybody. You, sir, in your hat, you look very Christmassy. Merry Christmas. He smiled at me then. I got a bit of Christmas cheer out of him.
We're going to head into San Sebastian today and have a wander around, and I think we'll probably spend a few days there because, well, there's so much to taste, so much to try. There's the burnt cheesecake, there's the tortilla, there's everything in San Sebastian. It's a bit of a food capital of Europe, so I'm incredibly excited to be here. So we're gonna see how we get on. And look, Stash with me as well.
Hi.
And Rupert. See, I'm not solo. I still have a wife and dog. Right, let me show you where the van is, look. This thing is an absolute beast. It does not stop and I just love it. Absolutely love driving behind the wheel, and it's just been such a nice comfortable vehicle to have for these long journeys, and the comfort inside is just amazing. So yeah, really excited to have this Mercedes, and under no circumstances will I sell this vehicle. I can feel quite confident saying that for a change. So catch you in a bit.
Hello. Hola.
Hola. So we've got our parking. It was €9.90 and that gives us 72 hours, which is pretty good. And as you can see, there's lots of spaces here. I think we're the odd ones out. That's all right though, isn't it, Roop? Yeah. Some nice, oh yeah, look, nice techno line. I bet they'll have some banging tunes on later. Yeah. Techno. So we're just gonna walk into San Sebastian now from the air. Apparently it's about an hour away from the old town, but I think about 10 minutes away from the shore of the beach, so we'll see. But so far, so good. Got a bit of side hustle going on in San Sebastian. Okay, just round the corner is Bar Nesta, and I have put my order in for the tortilla. This is one of the world's most famous dishes in San Sebastian, and I am super excited to have a go. If for those of you who watch television, you would have seen, what's his name, Steph? Fred do this on Taste of San Sebastian, so it's been on the list. And this one's for Jonesy, because I watched it with Jonesy and he was like, oh, we should go there and try it. But our 2-bedroom workmate, I'm going to do it for us. I'll always come back if it's good. Wow. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really nice.
What's your big price?
This is very nice. Somehow the humble tomato is found centre stage on a plate in San Sebastian. It's lovely.
Well, we've just been to Bar Nesta, and that was one of the best dining experiences I've had this year, and that's saying a lot. We just had to go in early, an hour early, put our order in for the tortilla. They put your name down on a notepad. They tell you to come back at 10 to 1, and then they start shouting out the names. And everybody's frantically panicking, making sure that they get their portion. Thankfully, we got ours. We got a table outside with Rupert, and it was incredible. It was lovely. It was delicious, and it's a dish that I'm definitely going to try and replicate in my van, even though I know how much sunflower oil goes into it all and how dangerous that could potentially be. It's definitely worth a shot for that taste. Anyway, we're now on the beach in San Sebastian. Look at the sun. This is December, by the way. This is December the 28th, and well, I need to take my jacket off. This is way too hot. And look, Rupert's on the beach, and I think she's going to let him off now. So the plan is to basically walk back to the air, which is about an hour's walk, 45 minutes walk from the old town, and then we're going to maybe have some dog food. Well, Rupert is, and then maybe we're going to leave Rupert to rest for a couple of hours, and we'll come back out in the tandem. So we'll see how it goes. I love the city. It's great. Here I am, natural habitat. I've got my dinner all down me. It's a good sign. We're back on the tandem. I've got to be careful here, there's 2 lanes. It's alright, you wait till we have the wine. Right, we're back in the city. This is Pincho's round 2. We came in on the tandem, which was fun. We've locked it up, hopefully it will stay there. And now we are in search of the burnt cheesecake of San Sebastian. So, maybe a couple of Pinchos before, but then we're going to end it with a burnt cheesecake that we're going to burn off on the tandem on the way back, because it's a little bit uphill. I might need a drink as well. What do you think, Steph?
I think we'll have to have a drink to wash down our cheesecake.
Good plan. A drink to wash down the cheesecake. Let's go. How am I supposed to eat this? We've got some morphia, we've got a bacalao croquette cod, and then some octopus and whatever that is. This looks good, doesn't it, Steph?
Oh, I'm excited.
That was easy as well. That was 16 euros for 2 beers and all of this, so can't wait to get into this, the morphia black pudding. This is delicious. You should definitely come here. It's kind of like a chili mince in a pepper, wrapped in omelette with bacon on top. Who does that? Who thinks, oh, that'll be a good combo? Oh, someone was pissed when they made this. Yeah, it worked though.
Okay, Mike's got his tartar de queso.
AKA a burnt cheesecake from San Sebastian.
AKA the best cheesecake in the world.
Apparently. I got shouted at. I got told to stand in the corner, which nobody ever tells me to stand in the corner. Or my wife.
No one puts baby in the corner.
But I went along with it because I heard this was supposed to be good, so let's find out.
Oh. What does that silence mean?
Do you know what? It's really nice. It is nice. It's rich. It's soft. The slight caramelization of the sugar on top is great. And I am a desserts guy. But it wasn't worth being shouted at for.
Really?
If I'm honest, it wasn't worth being shouted at for to enjoy it.
Let's have a big close up.
It's good. It is tasty. And it's definitely worth a try if you're here. And it is it's lovely. What do you think of the cheesecake, Steph?
1 second. It's not really cheesecake, is it? It's more like a flan. Not gonna lie.
I'm a little bit disappointed. It's
Yeah,
got a nice flavour, but it's not a cheesecake.
yeah. It's
tastes
very
a bit
light.
Like
It's not
scrambled
dense.
eggs.
Yeah.
When you've tried to make a custard and it's gone into scrambled eggs. Still gonna eat it though.
Yeah.
Take one for the team.
Yeah. You had to be shouted at for that, Steph. That's what hurts so much. He's built this up with the shouting.
It's not worth being shouted at.
No, it's not, is it? Sorry, mate. New York have won. New York cheesecake for the win. Apparently turkey's meant to be good, so we'll have to give that a go.
I'll try that.
Yeah, but no. So far, San Sebastian's favourite dish for me is the tortilla. What about you?
Tortilla, tomatoes,
Yeah,
bacalao.
yeah. Bacalao croquette
Not the
was nice.
cheesecake.
Yeah, not the cheesecake. Yeah. Skip the queue.
Sorry.
Trudy is still here, hasn't been stolen. Well, what a first day we've had in San Sebastian. Trudy, the tandem is over there, so we're going to jump on her now and cycle back. We're trying to finish the cheesecake. And yeah, what an amazing first day. Such a good place to visit, and actually for the air being so close, it's about 45 minutes walk away, about 15 minutes on the bike. It's €3.30 a night to stay here out of season. Apparently this is out of season and it is still busy, so I would not want to come here in peak season. So I would suggest to anybody to avoid peak season and just come like out of season right now. And everyone seems quite happy, everyone's quite jolly, and everything's quite quiet. So this is a good time to come. Right, come on, Steph.
Some of this.
Oh, go on then if I have to. Fucking delicious. It really is.